In ChatGPT, on the left side, in the Projects area, I will select New Project and then give it a clear name. Then I click Create Project. In the chat window that appeared, I could start a new chat, but before I do that, I want to add source files. These are files or notes I want the project to use as background context for this trip. When I click Sources and then Add, I have the option to upload files or add text. For this example, I'm going to upload my travel profile. I upload this file each time I start planning a new trip, so a travel project starts with a sense of what I like. In the text area, I can add details specific to this trip, like the destination, number of days, number of travelers, and itinerary preferences. With all of my reference details loaded in the source area, I can now start a conversation inside the project. For example, build a London itinerary based on the uploaded materials. I can review the recommendations and respond to what I like, what I don't like, or specific things I want to include to build an itinerary that is best for me. Check out the rest of the AI Memory series on our channel. I'm Jeanette from GeekSpeak Translator. I love to simplify AI so you can move beyond the hype and use it intentionally.